Hey there, design lovers! If you're looking to spruce up your kitchen without hiring a contractor or spending a fortune, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie and welcome to the Spatialist Design Show. Today, I'm sharing the best, simple and easy ways to make your kitchen 10 times better for little to no cost. There's no renovation and no construction. Just quick designer upgrades that anyone can do. Let's get started. Here are my top designer-approved tips for transforming your kitchen from purely functional to fabulous. First things first, you've got to start by decluttering your countertops. A clutter-free space feels bigger, brighter, and so much more inviting. My suggestion is to store away small appliances you don't use daily and keep only the essentials within reach. This does two things for you. It makes the most used room in your home way more welcoming and less visually stressful, but it also gives you a clutter-free backdrop to actually decorate your kitchen with the things that you find visually appealing. This is the designer difference, my friends. Maybe you've seen kitchens in magazines that look so charming and welcoming, or you visited a friend's house, walked into their kitchen, and it just feels so good. Well, chances are there's a combination of decorative pieces in the space that creates that homey, less utilitarian feeling. A great way to begin adding that charm is with one of my favourite decorative items, countertop lamps. If you have the space, this can be a teeny tiny lamp in the corner of the cabinetry, or an even more statement-making lamp if you have room to spare. The key here is that by adding a lamp, you create a layer of light at the countertop level, which, unless you have under-cabinet lighting, probably doesn't exist in your kitchen. Also, a lamp introduces a textural element with its fabric shade, and it instantly softens the space because lamplight adds the ultimate cozy factor to a room. Another decor item that I love to add to a kitchen is a decorative tray. It can be woven, leather, metal, mirrored, really whatever suits your style preferences. The key is that a tray gives you the ability to corral kitchen essentials that you may need on your countertops at all times, like kitchen utensils, oils, spices, and your favourite cookbooks. So, they're both pretty and practical. A few other things I love about trays is that they introduce another material layer that visually breaks up long expanses of countertops. And they're a little bit unexpected in a kitchen, so it makes a space feel more elevated and thoughtfully decorated, in my opinion. Another little design trick is to add artwork to your kitchen. This could be a painting hung on the wall if you have the wall space, or it could be a small piece displayed on a countertop easel. There are lots of creative ways you can incorporate artwork into your kitchen. The key is to choose a piece that feels like it might normally belong in your living room or foyer, and hang it in your kitchen instead. And if you want to amp up the charm factor even a little bit more, add an art light above it. Now, if you don't have the ability to hardwire the art light, don't worry, there are lots of rechargeable LED options out there, so take advantage of them. Next, let's discuss the importance of layering textiles. There are so many hard surfaces in kitchens, from flooring to cabinetry, countertops, and appliances. These materials need something that softens them a bit and creates that warm, welcoming feeling that we all crave in our kitchens. So, thoughtfully mixing in textiles is crucial. I love introducing laid-back window treatments when appropriate, like valances, Roman shades, and cafe curtains, to bring in that textural layer and to add privacy or block an unsightly view if that's needed. I also love to introduce texture through rugs and functional textiles like beautiful dish towels. These add that layer of softness and can be a great way to bring colour and pattern into the space. To continue our work on texture, don't forget about your kitchen seating, including bar stools and kitchen table chairs. I know it's popular to choose options that are all wood for practical purposes like easy cleanup, but this is a really great area to add texture. So maybe go for something that has a woven seat and back, or introduce a fabric on them through a removable or washable seat cushion or slipcover. Now, we can't talk about ways to make your kitchen better without covering the all-important functional cabinetry solutions that every kitchen needs. First up, drawer dividers. I know this seems like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many kitchens only have drawer dividers for their cutlery and leave all the rest of their drawers an unorganized mess. There are so many great affordable drawer dividers and organizers out there that there's really no excuse. The key is to assess what you need. For example, corralling your Tupperware lids, that's me, organizing your aluminium foil and sandwich baggies, or keeping your baking sheets neat and tidy. Whatever the issue, there's a drawer divider solution out there for it, I promise. For upper cabinets, you really need risers if you want to maximize your space. Upper cabinets are usually 12 inches deep, which means you can easily layer canisters, canned goods, and glassware. But if you don't have them on risers, you either A, can't see them all, or B, have them pushed all the way back, all the way to the front of the cabinet, completely missing valuable storage real estate. Risers to the rescue, my friends. They're easy, they're affordable, and they're a game changer. On to lower cabinets. Let me just put it out there. Unless they have some type of built-in storage solution behind the cabinet doors, they're just not functional. I have one lower cabinet in my kitchen that doesn't have any type of storage solution in it, and honestly, it's always an unorganized mess that, quite frankly, is kind of embarrassing and I need to address. My point is, in most cases, lower cabinets aren't as functional as drawers, unless they have a storage solution in them. I highly suggest installing some sort of pull-out insert to increase their functionality. You can find these super easily online and install them in a few hours. Finally, let's get to the easiest and maybe most satisfying way to make your kitchen 1,000 times better. And that is to quite simply add a candle and fresh flowers or a plant to your space. These small, affordable additions go a long way and will make your kitchen instantly more welcoming for your guests and even more importantly for you and your family. So, which of today's kitchen tips was your favourite? I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let me know what you're excited to try. And if you enjoyed these designer secrets and want to see more simple ways to elevate your home, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new episode of the Spatialist Design Show. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm Sophie, and I hope this helps you create a home that truly inspires you. Have fun making your kitchen even better and fall in love with where you live, one room at a time. I'll see you in the next one.